back to another video. So today I'll be doing a half up half down hairstyle, as you guys can see from the thumbnail. Jumping right into it, I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair into two sections. I'll have one in the front and one in the back, just making a part from ear to ear. Once it's done, I'm just going to section the front part out of the way for now because I'll be working on the back. Ensure that your parting is neat. I'm just going to go ahead and make another parting in the back part of my hair. I'm basically doing an anchor braid for my crochet, and I'm just going to part that from one ear to the next, and then I'm going to go ahead and section the back part out of the way. Now I'm just gonna cane row or cornrow my hair going across. This anchor braid is for me to put my crochet hair on so that I can fill in any gaps towards the back. I won't have any gaps whenever, I don't even know how to explain this. So that anchor braid will be there to help to fill the hair up so that I won't have any gaps going down. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my cornrows in. I did not do much cornrows, and this part does not have to be neat because it will not be showing. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair going downwards, and I'll be joining each braid into the next. I'm just going to go ahead and oil my scalp so that it can be moisturized under my hairstyle. Also adding some to the front section of my hair. So now I'm just going to massage my scalp, and then we're going to work on the front part. I'm using the Fashion 3 wax and wax to sleep my hair down. You have to be careful with this wax because it does tend to white up, so you need to place it exactly where you need it, and then you just smooth it in and just don't touch it again after. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the front part of my hair into a ponytail, also taking out my edges from here on. Once the wax is, or the head control is right where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a little ponytail. I'm going to twist my hair up out of the way. And put in a little bun. And I'm using the Springy Bohemian 3 times pack. This is a realistic brand hair. This hair is so pretty. It is very bouncy. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. I have 3 bundles, and as you guys can see, the hair is really bouncy. It's long. Just gonna go ahead and take that down, and then I'll start my crochet process. So it's a simple crochet process. Push the loop. I'm just gonna take the hook and push that under my braid, attach my hair onto the hook, and then I'll just secure that onto my hair. Don't think I explained that properly. Okay, I just take my crochet tool, push it underneath my braid, attach the hair to the crochet tool, and then I just create a loop and secure that onto my hair. With this hair, it gets big really fast, so you want to space out how you put it on your hair. I kind of put too much in my opinion. If you love big hair, you can add a lot of hair towards the back part, but I would advise that you space out the hair, especially when you're going in towards the nape of your head. When you go up more towards the top of your head, you can add them even closer to each other. So that was one bundle down. I'm now on my second bundle. I'm just going to go ahead and add that towards the middle part of my hair. This hair, it kind of tangles easily, especially when I'm taking it from the pack itself. So you want to bear that in mind. And also when you drag your hand over it, it frizzes and it even gets bigger. So this is two bundles down. So I'm just going to go in with my third bundle to complete the rest of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and add some hair across that anchor braid that I did earlier, just to fill in those gaps that you guys are seeing right there. While adding the crochet hair onto the anchor braid, I put them as close as possible to each other. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on the ponytail section. I'm just going to take the hair. As you guys can see, I'm dragging my hair down on that hair so that it can get frizzy. So I'm basically just going to go around the perimeter of that bun first. And then I kind of flip the hair over to see how it looks like. See if I need to add any more hair in. And if I do, I will do so. Yep. So basically I'm just trying to hide my bun. So the hair is coming together. I'm just going to take one strand from the back and I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around the base of the hair just to cover up any knots that are there. In the package, some twists came in the package as well. So I'm just going to use those twists to wrap around the hair just to like add a unique touch to it, you know. And I'm gonna go ahead and secure that with some hairpins. Right here I'm going in with a twist that came in the package. Just gonna wrap that, crochet that onto the hair and just wrap it around what I just did to create a little like cute design, or you know, a nice little style to it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and work on my edges, going back in with that same wax and wax, kind of going over my hair and smoothing it a bit, and then just, you know, smooth my baby hairs in to complete the look. This is a hair I had left over. Trying to show you guys the time on my phone. It is now 1:16 a.m. on Sunday morning. I am exhausted. I don't know if you guys can hear me with this fan. Yeah, so I'm about to tie my hair up and go to sleep. So I'll see you guys. Alright, so this is the final result, you guys. This is next morning, and I really like the way that this hairstyle came out. It's looking full. It is giving volume. It's giving bouncy. It's really cute, half up, half down hairstyle for you guys to try out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys learned something. Also did it like in a bun too, you know, just to switch the style up a bit. So please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.